What's going on, y'all? This right here, man, this day 2. I'm out here lit. Been sipping, man. Really just enjoying it, y'all. Palm trees and fun, man. Told y'all I was gonna keep hitting y'all with these back-to-back bangers, man. That's what we on. Make sure y'all hit that like comment, and make sure y'all subscribe, man. Channel going up. Keep supporting me. We're gonna keep taking trips. We're gonna keep building cars, keep modifying cars. I was gonna shoot some car show content for y'all. All the trucks pulled off because down here in Daytona they don't want the trucks down here. So a lot of the police, it's a lot of police out here, and they pulling the trucks over. If you hear your engine, they hear them pipes growling, man. The engine breathing too much, they pulling you right over. So yeah, the truck show over with, man. They shut that down right away. One thing about Daytona, if anybody know about Daytona, man, they don't let a lot slide down here, y'all. So yeah, I ain't gonna be able to give y'all that car show content down here in Daytona. If y'all heard about it, then y'all know I ain't lying about it. So but yeah, right now I'm just sitting out here on the beach, chilling, hanging out, y'all.
Cameron is literally your twin. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, he look just like him. What are you doing? Watching TV over there? It's nice out here.
Heat and liquor is just...
I see them palm trees. What? I see them palm trees. There ain't no but ocean right there behind me. That ain't nothing but the ocean behind me, y'all. Real talk. Yeah. That's how we living, man. For real. Ain't no telling what I'm about to get into tonight, but whatever we get into, y'all know I'm turning the camera on. Shit, y'all gonna be right there with me. That's how we doing it, man. All 2024. That's how we doing it. Yeah. Yeah, we back
well,
live.
I can't wait to go next week.
They should have brought them bean bags up so we can at least get on that little game over there. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's been super litty, man. And I still got, what, another day or two, so.
I need a bean bag.
As long as I'm down here, I'm gonna keep vlogging shit, might as well. Might as well keep turning the channel up, y'all. I'm probably finna go set poolside again. I don't know what I'm finna do. Like I said, probably get out here tonight and find something, y'all. Find something to do. Go eat at a restaurant or something, I don't know. We was gonna drive to Orlando.
It's raining out there.
It's raining out there though. So, I mean, we at where it's at anyway. This is where it's at anyway. So, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute, y'all, and let y'all know what I'm finna get into. All right, y'all. It's the last day. So I'm gonna give y'all this last little content, man. Oh, excuse me, bro. Yeah, it's still lit out here, y'all. Definitely still lit, man. Y'all see what's going on. Give y'all this last little content, man. Before I head back, I done picked up the kids for Father's Day. And we gonna chill poolside, man, and enjoy it. That's all I really can do, man. Look at that view, y'all. It's cracking. Yep, they got the trucks back out here too. They got the trucks back out here. So it ended up not being a truck show. Like I was telling y'all, man, the police didn't want them bringing these trucks and stuff out, but they still got them back out here on the beach, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy this Father's Day, man, 2024, y'all. I'm gonna sit poolside with my kids, man, and I'm gonna chill. Just pick them up, man, from the babysitter. And let them enjoy all this fun with me. Shout out to all the fathers out there too, y'all. Yeah. Vibes is real litty out here, y'all. Yes, sir. Got the kids over there in that pool back there. Gotta love this lifestyle, man. Gotta enjoy every day, y'all, like it's your last, man. Like I told y'all, whatever y'all wanna do it, man. Get out here, have some fun, man, and enjoy life.
Better this side compared to the left side.
Kids out here. Man, we finna chill poolside, y'all. Yes, sir. Look at Doo-Wop. Look at Doo-Wop. What's up, Doo-Wop? Look at little butt. Let me set this camera up, y'all. We back in action, y'all. I'm back in this pool. I'm back after the pool, man. Enjoying it. Yeah, man. Pool feeling extra good. You finna get in here, Johnny? I got the camera rolling. Gonna give them that content. Uh-oh. He come in splash. Big boy splashes. Big boy cannonballs. Woo! I done jumped there, got the camera all wet. Down there slipping, bust my head out here, y'all. Shit, I'm trying to do a cannonball and down there slipped and bust my damn head.
I love you.
Let me see what you got. And I got the camera rolling. I see her. They came in through some toys in here.
Hey, he could have come in too.
Got my son with me, y'all. His little butt. He done threw his beach toys in the pool, y'all. He think he can swim. He happy to swim. That's rough. Let me see what he got. Hold on, you gotta come up here so the camera can see. Let's see what he got, y'all. Oh, he went backwards. He did it backwards.
Whoop, I need another bottle.
You gonna need another one. You gonna need to grab another one.
Not from across the street. Shit.
Hell no, they too expensive, boy.
$64 for a pint? I mean, for a damn.
Nah, for a fit. Tell y'all, don't ever come out to Daytona trying to buy no liquor, no type of bottles, man. They charge you $60 for a fifth of him. They feel like it. Yeah. What you gonna do when you get down in here is what I'm trying to say. The way you just be turning around crawling in here. This boy don't know. You try to crawl up in this water, he going under. Yeah, man, we just chilling poolside, y'all. Probably going to grab some food or something in a minute, man. Just chilling right now. Yeah, we just chilling right now. Beach still litty out here, y'all. Beach still cracking. See, they still got a couple of the trucks, a couple of the pickup trucks out there. They got a line of them down there. They got a line of pickups down there though. Yep. Yeah, I got you on camera now. Yeah, now you got to do something cold for the camera. You got to do it backwards. You got to do it backwards. You try to throw some toys up in there. Look at this boy. What is 3 feet? Boy, you better get on back. Come on. You can't get up in there by yourself. You come on over here on that baby pool over there, boy. And pull your pants up. Put your pants on up. Yeah, man, my son doing the most. Yeah, there's ground hot on this side. That's why you need to go on back. Let me set this up there. No, what he got going? Gotta get them together, man. Yep, got one that's sleepy already. Y'all here, we're gonna have to put him down, y'all. He already sleep. Yeah, what's up? What's up? Say what's up, gang. Say what's up, gang. Say make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on so you can receive all posts when I do post them. You feel me? Yeah, let them know. What's up, daddy, baby? What's up, daddy, baby? Yeah, y'all, man, we just hanging out, man, pretty much. He's starting to get tired. You see the camera? Say what's up, gang. Yeah, man. Just a little hangout day on Father's Day with the kids, y'all. What's up? What's up? Your daddy some of that shit. What you want to tell the people? What you want to tell them? He didn't want to get in that pool right there? Tell him you don't have to hold on, man. He gonna have to wait until she get back. Yes, sir. All I need is a margarita or something, man. All I need is a margarita or something. And this, alright, y'all. Let me get little homie situated. I'm gonna get right back with y'all. What? Yeah, you have to change his diaper. Put one of them little swimmers on him. I'm gonna change it, put another swimmer on him. Let them hang out over there in the little baby pool for a minute, man. Which one? I seen. They had all the trucks out here last night. The police was pulling everybody over though. You got loud pipes and stuff. You missed that. But there's plenty of trucks down here. We're gonna go back on the beach in a minute. What? You want to get in there too? We just got you out the water, man. Just got you out the water. Over in the little baby pool, man. All right, y'all. Let me go ahead, man, hang out with the kiddos, and be back with y'all in a second. Car show starting to start, y'all. It's gonna be a car show down here in Daytona. Y'all see the lineup. Yes, sirski. I'm gonna go down there tonight, y'all. Get all this good truck content. They got it's a truck show down here in Daytona Beach. All pickup trucks. So you got a whole bunch of lifted trucks down here, man. There's gonna be a line of them down the beach. Y'all probably can't see all the way down there. Try to zoom in a little bit for y'all. Y'all see that? Yep, a whole bunch of lifted trucks down there. Yes, sir. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna bring y'all that car content tonight. As soon as we get the show on the road. As soon as we get the show on the road, guys. Yes, sir. I said guys, I mean gang. I sound corny as hell. The hell? Hey, let this YouTube take over. That's because, man,
Tomorrow is cleanup day.
You gotta watch what you say on here, so man, they got me talking all proper and shit. But yeah, y'all, it's gonna be some car content tonight, man, so get ready.